I'm on vacation right now and I desperately need to wash my hair. As you can see, it's a little crazy. I went down to the local CVS and I picked up a co-washing product from As I Am. It's actually the #1 selling co-wash. I've heard such great things about this product online and I'm super excited to try this out. So this product has tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, and a bunch of other stuff. It smells so good. Oof. So if you don't know, co-washing is basically a conditioning shampoo and it clarifies your hair without all the harsh products. It says that it effectively cleanses hair and scalp without sulfates and harsh detergents, hydrates hair for a more vibrant, manageable, natural coil and curl, which my hair desperately needs. I do not like heavy products, so this is going to be a really good one for me. I can already tell. Post hair wash and shower, and let me tell you, my hair feels so amazing. I'm letting it dry right now, but it feels clarified and nourished, and I definitely recommend this. Go to your local CVS and try it out.